What's up, traders? Matt here from Sferica Trading. In a market filled with constant noise and conflicting signals, what's the one thing we're all searching for? Clarity. Today, I'm going to walk you through a methodology designed to provide just that. We call it the Smooth Trend Fusion Strategy. This isn't about chasing every little market wiggle. It's a deliberate approach that fuses a highly responsive trend indicator with a powerful market condition filter. The goal is simple: to identify clear, high-quality trends and filter out the indecisive chop that can trap so many of us. So let's break down the architecture of this strategy. It's built on two key pillars. The first is our trend engine, the Jurik Moving Average, or JMA. Now, this is far more than a standard moving average. The JMA is an advanced smoothing mechanism engineered for one primary purpose: to hug the price action with incredible precision while remaining exceptionally smooth. It cuts through the minor fluctuations to give us a clean, unambiguous view of the underlying trend direction. When it's rising, the trend is bullish. When it's falling, the trend is bearish. It's our foundational guide. But a direction alone isn't enough. We also need to know if the market has conviction behind that move. This brings us to our second pillar, the Volatility Quality indicator. Think of this as our quality control filter. It doesn't tell us the trend's direction. Instead, it measures the character of the price movement. It answers a crucial question: is this a genuine directional move, or is it just volatile, random noise? It essentially acts as a gatekeeper, helping us avoid those choppy, uncertain market conditions. The real power here comes from the fusion of these two components. We're not just looking for a trend, we are looking for a confirmed trend, a trend that has both direction and quality. For a potential long trade, we have a two-step confirmation. First, the JMA must be angled upwards, signaling bullish momentum. But we don't jump in just yet. We then look to the Volatility Quality indicator. We need to see a positive reading, which confirms that the upward move is stable and not just random noise. Once both conditions are met, the signal is valid. For short trades, it's the exact opposite. The JMA must be pointing down, indicating bearish pressure. Then, the Volatility Quality Index must give us a negative reading, confirming the move has substance. It's this 1-2 punch that forms the foundation of our entry signal. Once these conditions line up, our signal is valid. But before we pull the trigger, we define our risk. This is where the average true range, or ATR, is essential. As you can see on the chart, we use ATR bands to set our stop loss from the very beginning. The ATR dynamically measures volatility, so our stop is placed logically based on current market conditions: wider when things are choppy, and tighter when they're calm. Our take profit is then set as a multiple of that risk, giving us a complete trade plan before we ever enter. And for an extra layer of conviction, the strategy incorporates our proprietary suite of filters. These are designed to run in the background, helping us automatically weed out suboptimal conditions like flat markets or low-volume environments where even good signals can fail. Now, a strategy is only as good as its application. That's why we don't just build these systems, we rigorously test and optimize them across a wide range of assets and asset classes. On our platform, you can see the results for yourself, with data going back as far as 10 years. For example, the very setup we're looking at on BTC/USD has a backtest of almost 700 trades, resulting in a return of nearly 700%, with a maximum drawdown of only 8%. We have many more pre-optimized configurations just like this available for our members. This strategy is a testament to the idea that combining the right tools in a logical way can create a result far more powerful than the sum of its parts. It's a fusion of trend and quality. If this methodical approach resonates with you, and you'd like to see how we apply this kind of thinking to automated trading systems, I invite you to visit us at sfericatrading.com. Let's build a smarter way to navigate the markets together. And always remember, data has a better idea.